Welcome to the new era of navigation. We are proudly presenting before you our new innovative navigated technology product NavSense, an additional sense for every driver. On one line, the idea is an innovative tactile strap for any watches which helps and guides you in navigation without any distractions. By distractions, I mean the frequent distractions during driving while looking or listening to maps. Because when we are driving, we are using our sense of seeing and sense of hearing. And at the same time, when you are looking to a Google map in your phone, you are also using the same sense. That's the distraction here. And it has like very negative impact on modern people, like modern society while driving. And as per some surveys, it's not less than 50% of people who goes to accidents due to this kind of sensory distractions as per the surveys. So here we are going to deal with that issue. And before we started doing the work, we had a customer survey. Customers means you, me, and anyone who is using Google Map. And not surprisingly, we had 64.1% of people saying they had a issue with Google Map driving. The consequent surveys which we have done have shown us that many have like the same issues they had when they are inside a traffic and they don't know where to go, left or right or straight or go back. They cannot open their phone and look up. And in many times people also have told us the inconvenience of using a headset to hear the Google voice to see where to go. So the problem statement was convinced, and we were convinced that it has to be solved in the society. So we came up with a solution which was, by the way, very simple. The basic solution is that what we have to do is to take away that two senses, the visual sense and the hearing sense of the part which we use for navigation. It used some of the other three senses for driving. So we came up with the tactile sense or the touch sense, touch feedback, which can be utilized in our device. So here we are introducing you NavSense band. So as you have seen in the video, it's a watch or it's a band like strap for a watch, which gives you tactile feedback of where to go, or you should take it U-turn or go left or right or whatever. I will show you how it works when I show you the prototype. How did we make the prototype, or how did we make the device? The prototype that I'm going to show you in this video is made up from Raspberry Pi Zero, vibration motors, obviously it's kind of coin type of vibration motor which are mountable on the straps, an Android app obviously, and a wristband for mounting all these things, and some connecting device and power supply of course. So the design is very simple. We have a Raspberry Pi there and we connect two vibration coin motors to its GPIO pins, and you can see the pin diagram right there, or you can search in the net and see it obviously. So the prototype that I have built looks like this, that I have a watch and I have mounted on these devices on the watch, and I have personally checked, and we had made the program and run it. I'll show you how it works. The two vibration motors are connected to the GPIO pins. Here I took the 17 and 18 pins. The Python program is executed. The band is worn by the person during driving, and band is connected to the Android app over Bluetooth. So what happens is that in the prototype we have two buttons like a left or right, which when we press the motor vibrates accordingly. But on the real product we are going to bake, what it does is that it automatically drives the data from the Google Map via the Google Map API and drives the motors accordingly. So the process continues till the person reaches his destination, hence eliminating the need for looking to the maps or hearing the map voice while driving. Hence it solves the basic problem, the distraction problem that we have discussed before. So this is the screenshot from the prototype of the navigation NavSense app that we are developing, and we already have the prototype of the app made and tested, and we are now making the real one which can be commercially viable. And the value propositions we add here are: we reduce the risk of danger and frequency, of course, which are discussed. And an additional feature that we have implemented in our device is the SOS service. It's like the emergency services now, like when we meet with accidents or when something happens for us while driving, with a kind of anomaly thing happening. So the app automatically sends the data to the nearest hospital or to the dearest ones on your contact list, so saving you. And we are also making the device go offline, like downloading the map into the system. So even if you go offline, that doesn't matter with the navigation functionality of our device. So that's a value proposition we add. I think that's a very brief of what we are doing with the NavSense band, and I hope the products come soon to the market and millions of drivers out there, including you and me, benefit. Thank you.